Say hi, pumpkins. Say hi. Say welcome to Vlogmas Day 1.
My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day.
Say hi, cutie. Say hi, my name's Benji. Say hi, family. Hello. We just got done feeding baby. Say hello and welcome to the first day of Vlogmas. My name is Benjamin. My name is Benjamin. Little Benji baby, he's the cutest. He's so precious. I am so excited to do Vlogmas. I'm going to be doing it over here on my main channel. Usually I do it over on my vlogging channel, Belinda's Life, but I was like, you know what, this year we have little Benji and we're gonna do it on my main channel. Yes. So the way that this year is going to work is I am going to be filming every single day, but I will be uploading 2 to 3 times a week. So it's not going to be as consistent as uploading every single day, but I wanted to make sure that I still had footage of every single day, especially because we're doing our advent calendar scavenger hunt, and that is going to be so much fun. I've been wanting to do that tradition for so many years now, and I finally was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it, especially because I have my little baby and we could have so much more fun with it. Should we start each vlog with the advent calendar? I think so. I think so. And now that Daddy works from home, he is going to do it with us. Are we ready? The doggies look excited. Are we ready? Yes, let's do this. All right, so you're gonna go up to the advent calendar. It's day 1. And there's a clue to our first gift of the month.
Rudolph is the lead reindeer because his nose can be seen. For this next clue, check the washing machine. It doesn't say it.
You have to guess. Let me see the card. Let me see. Okay, so that's what it said. All right, so where do you think it's at, mister?
It's in the washing machine.
Let's go, me and Benji. We're gonna find out, right, Mr. Benjamin? We're gonna follow along. Ginger's excited too.
Ooh, all right. Dang, there's a bunch of gifts in here.
There is?
It's Freeform Days of Christmas.
Yay! So the first gift is actually thanks to Freeform, which we don't have to do an unboxing or show anything. It's actually for a campaign, for just a picture, but you get to see what activity we get to do. So this is an activity instead of a gift. So it's a gift for the entire family. And it's starting off our day right. It's a quilt of 25 days of Christmas. That is so cool. I like it. And let's see what else there is in there.
Gifts. Is this all Freeform related?
Yeah. There's a little card. That one has a candy cane. That's cute.
King's Sugar Cookie Tree.
Yeah, so that's for cookies, to make cookies.
This?
Yeah. You having a good time, mister?
Alrighty. What else is this? Decorating kits, supplies.
Nice.
Details, adding details. It's all about the details. Place to keep.
Ooh.
Food coloring. This one's bigger. Is this the PS1? Star Maker cookies for the cookies. You can make a Christmas tree.
So this is everything that was inside the box, and it is to make Christmas cookies. That's going to be the first activity that we have. And I'm gonna put this underneath you so you can have a little bit more support and last a little bit longer, huh? What do you think? Here we go. Ready? No. Okay, so this is the book that I bought, and it's 5-minute Christmas stories, and of course they're Disney and he likes them. Usually we can only get through half of the story, but then we finish up the other half, right? So let's see how long you last for this one. Which one did we read last? Oh, we read the Dalmatians, 101 Dalmatians Christmas story. Oh, this is Monsters Inc. Christmas and Monstropolis. Mike Wazowski was Monsters Inc.'s top laugh collector, but one day he had other things on his mind besides work. Mike walked through the busy streets of Monstropolis. "Come on," he called as his best friend Sully. "We can't be late for the Christmas committee meeting." The monsters. Look at that, isn't it cool? We got that, and then, oh wow, the reindeers. It looks so cool. Mike had big plans. He pictured Monstropolis glowing from the top to bottom. And that's a lot of screams. There's a whole lot of screams. Oh, a whole lot of laughter. They don't do screams no more. They only laugh. They make the children laugh. Is that why you cry in the middle of the night? Oh my goodness. Oh, the powers went out. Can you believe it? I'm afraid you're gonna get like a scratch or something. Here, paper cut. We don't want no paper cuts. You could have your toys. You could have your toys while we read. That way you can play with it. Good job. Look at the toys. Good job. Oh, good job. What's going on, Wazowski? One monster yelled angrily. Yeah, another monster cried. We want answers. Huh?
Kind of hungry.
What?
What are we gonna eat?
I don't know. I can make us something. Make us chilaquiles. That sounds bomb.com though, doesn't it? We have sour cream.
Can you start it?
He can. He goes to sleep and he should be going to sleep by 12:30. You wanna hold on now? You wanna take over and then we start?
Sure.
Okay. Daddy's gonna take over so mommy can make lunch, okay? The cutie, patootie, don't wear the booty. The cutie, patootie. I finally got around to framing these. Oh my goodness, I love them. Look how cute he is when he was a little baby. He's so little. He's so tiny. I think he was maybe like a few days old there. And then this is from my maternity shoot. And then over here is when we did a maternity shoot at home. Bend it. There you go. Almost. There you go. There you go. There you almost. Give me your little hand. This is your third outfit change. Oh no, your second. Your second. Yeah. You want to do tummy times? Ready? Let's roll over. Go and go and go and go. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Should you put it closer? Yeah. Who's that, baby? Who's that, precious baby? Say hi, Dale, cute baby. Instead of just wearing regular clothes today, I was like, I want to wear pajamas all day long to be comfortable. So I woke up literally out of what I was wearing to sleep to wear pajamas all day, and I wanted to match with Benji. So these are his right here, and I got these on Amazon, and they're just so cute and comfortable, and they fit him really nice and fitted. Yeah, and right now he's doing tummy times. Who's doing the tummies? Who's on the tummy doing the tummy times? Okay, so right now I am going to clean the kitchen. Our house is a crazy mess, like super messy, especially our kitchen, even though I just filmed a clean and decorate with me video, which literally went up today. If you're watching this video, it went up yesterday. And I mean, that's just what happens, right? Like after we cook it just goes crazy, especially with all the baby stuff. So I'm okay. I've learned to live with it and be okay with it. Actually, since he was born, whenever there's like a pile of dishes or it's just like messy, like it doesn't bother me as much as I thought that it would have bothered me before. Sometimes I can get a little bit stressed out with so much of a mess, but I'm okay with it. As long as my baby is happy, fed, and healthy, and clean, that's all that matters. Right, Mister? Yeah, we might have a messy house, but that's okay, because we got a cute little happy baby. Yes. I'm going to get some cleaning done so that way I can set up to start doing our Christmas cookies, which I'm so excited about. And I'm so thirsty. And I'm like dying in this thing. It's so hot. Let's see. There we go. Ooh, some ice cold water.
Here comes the jolly season again with a sleigh.
Baby, it's cold outside. Do-do-do-do-do. Baby, it's cold outside. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na. We gotta learn the lyrics to that song, huh? Yes, we do. Baby, it's cold. Do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Baby, it's cold outside. Ba-da-da-da-da. Baby, it's cold outside. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. You're so cute. What is the baby saying? Weenies? Wow. What else? Tell Mama, what else happened? What else happened, Munchkins? Really? No way. What? What? No way. What else happened? Oh, wow. Wow, that's so cool. What else? Oh my goodness. Tell me about it. Oh my gosh, you sound so cute. You sound so cute. It is much later in the day. I had to do some work online while I put Benji down for his nap, and now I'm going to get started on our cookies because they have to be refrigerated for a certain amount of hours before I can cut them and decorate them. So I'm gonna get started on the dough part, and then I have to nurse Benji, and then we can decorate them and cook them later. So I'm gonna get a head start on that. Okay, and Grandma's here. She is holding Benji right now. He just woke up from his nap and he woke up crying, which made me so sad. My poor little Benji. But for some reason, whenever his room is like pitch black and we don't leave on a light, that's when he cries. And I don't know why. Why do you think he does that? Like, he has to sleep with a night light on. You think so? But even when he was so tiny, he would do that. 1/2 sticks of unsalted butter. We don't have unsalted, but this will do. Oh, it's already 5 o'clock. Are you done with work, Ricardo? I like melted the butter more than it had to be melted. Maybe it's cold outside. I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. It says 2 to 3 minutes to beat. You want to do it?
You can beat.
Stop being a backseat driver.
Yeah, it's Ricardo. You're being a backseat driver. When you get to the cookie parts, you can do whatever you want.
Nope. I'm watching. I have to. I'm
You're monitoring. We are gonna put it in the refrigerator. together my Diva light ring. I ordered it on Amazon. This is like my third one. Yeah, that's what happened to me. And they hung up. Yeah, Ricardo's been getting spam calls from Apple saying that his iCloud has been breached.
You can't breach this.
So,
You got a new stand?
yes.
What does it
And
do?
it's the same stand. I just couldn't get it off the other one. I stripped off the screws. 2 regular, yep, and elote. I don't need the churros. You want one?
No.
Nothing?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna put this together. So this is what I use in all my videos whenever it's nighttime. Huh?
Do they have like a drink? A special drink of any kind?
Like horchata or something?
Oh, yeah.
They might.
On Christmas Eve morning, Santa leaves out of bed. See?
I'm setting up to do the cookies, and since it is a working day for me, we decided to get takeout, and we have tacos. We have some beans over there, and I got my corn. Ooh, elote. Oh, that is so bomb. That is so good. That would be nice. Hi, who the cuties? I'm just gonna put it in a cup. Like that. And put it in there. Yeah. Right now, Home Alone is on and The Grinch is next. Yes. Okay, I freshened up my makeup, can you tell? And I actually put like water in my hair and put it up. So, this one looks good. This one doesn't look so good. I followed the directions on this one. I guess you're supposed to blend all the liquids first and then like add the flour. So this one looks like sugar cookies and this one just looks like regular dough. So hopefully they come out good. I'm praying because that's all we have. We don't have any extra ingredients to make things. So hopefully they turn out good.
Who is on his merry way? It's Santa. Who wants nothing more than bring you joy? Who has got a flying sleigh but Santa? Who keeps track of every girl and boy? The whole world.
We are going to call it a night. We're gonna call it a night. We're snuggled up in our PJs. We got Christmas cookies in the oven. And we have our freeform blanket. We're snuggled up. And we're just going to watch the rest of How the Grinch Stole Christmas. And we're gonna head to bed soon. My pumpkins. My little pumpkins. Yes, and muchos besos.
It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree.